Good morning. My name is Nelson Sorbo. I'm Vice President of Research and Development for Cool Clean Technologies. Well, we have been in the CO2 extraction and technology business for over 2 decades. We've been supplying our technology and services and expertise to solve numerous problems for Fortune 50 companies all over the world. And so we are a relative newcomer to the cannabis industry, but we are very, very experienced in CO2 extraction. So we're very pleased to be working in this market and to bring our expertise of providing industrial size and industrial capacity machines that have been, in some cases, that are FDA approved. So we have bring this expertise to providing these high quality machines to this new market. Our processes have been developed over decades, really, and for the industrial customer in mind. That is high capacity and easy to use. In addition, we operate in the lower pressure liquid CO2 regime, which provides us an opportunity to perform the same functions as the higher pressure supercritical systems, but at a much lower cost per unit volume, so that our machines can perform the same functions, in some cases better than the supercritical systems that are so well known in this industry. The Cool Clean systems are quite cost competitive when you consider the capital cost per unit extraction volume. Our systems range in size from 200 to up to 600 liters in extraction capacity. And in those ranges, our capital costs are very similar to those in the supercritical regime that have a fraction of the extraction volume and capacity. So our systems are much more cost effective on that basis than the supercritical systems. In terms of capitalizing and paying for the capital, there are a number of options that we could work with customers as needed. But one of the things that we always want to say about our CO2 extraction equipment is that ultimately, when the customer purchases any piece of equipment, they certainly must manage the capital procurement. But the most important thing is really what's the operation and maintenance cost after you have purchased the equipment. And our operation and maintenance cost for our equipment is extremely cost competitive. Typically, operation costs are in the 1 to 2 cents per gram extracted. So when you start extracting tens of thousands of grams of cannabinoids, you have very good cost benefits to people. So the capital cost, the high capital cost, can easily be overcome for large industrial operations. Yes, my background is I'm a former aerospace engineer, and as part of that job, I was on a team that helped develop and commercialize CO2 technology for a wide range of industries. We did everything from dry cleaning to cleaning of aerospace cables to extraction of silicones from all kinds of aerospace devices. And in the process of doing that, we developed a high level of expertise. And when I joined Cool Clean about 13 years ago, I brought that expertise to the Cool Clean team, and we have been innovating CO2 technology for customers all over the world. And it's a great technology to be in, and we're real pleased to now offer this expertise to the cannabis industry.